Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Joshika. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shreyans. Where is your class? Where are others?
Ma'am, I wrote some points about electric bulb.
Okay, good. Okay, tell me the points.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, electric bulb is a device that produces light when current flows through it.
Okay.
Ma'am, it has 5 main parts. A
Hmm.
glass bulb, filament, inert
Hmm.
gas, metal base,
Okay.
and that's all, ma'am.
Okay. And how it works?
Ma'am, it works when current flows through it.
Hmm.
The tungsten get heated up,
Hmm.
and it produces light, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, very good. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, can I go next?
Yes.
So, ma'am, first I'll be dividing the explanation of bulbs into two parts.
Hmm.
First is first is like how it looks and how it's formed. So the electrical bulb is a part of the electrical circuit, which consists of a glass outer shell, which is shaped as a curved ball, and it consists of the filament, which is made of a substance called tungsten. It also contains a gas, which is an inert gas such as neon or argon. And now we'll go on to the working. The working, when electricity passes through this bulb, the filament made up of tungsten converts the electrical energy into light energy, which leads to the glowing of the bulb, showing that the circuit is complete.
Very good. Very good, both of you.
Thank you.
Yes, Shreyans.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse?
No, ma'am. Thank God.
No excuse. Acha, okay, good.
Ma'am, electric bulb is a device, ma'am, that converts the electrical energy into light energy, ma'am. So basically, how it works, when the filament of the bulb made of tungsten gets when the electric current passes through the filament, it gets heated up. Due to relative heating, it lights up and emits light. Also, ma'am, it consists of a glass casing, the filament of tungsten made of tungsten, a metal base, and yes, ma'am, and the gas, ma'am, argon only, ma'am.
Very good. So I believe now it's clear, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
today
have
we'll be
a
doing
doubt.
magnetic effect, right?
First, we will complete the this effect, heating effect. We are now we are having fuse is left, and
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes.
Ma'am, there is a button on the iron box, right, ma'am?
Button on.
I mean, not a button, a kind of what is it? When it will, when we want more heat produced, we'll be turning that.
Knob. Knob. Yes.
How will that be working, ma'am?
It controls the flow of current. See how your iron is getting heated. It is getting heated because of the electricity. When there is more electricity, so more heat. When there is less electricity, so less heat. Okay, so the knob is turning the knob is calculating or the measuring the electric current, flow of current.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so bulb is clear, everyone? So next thing that we are going to discuss after bulb. So bulb is made up of, just in short, it is made up of thin tungsten filament. And the property of tungsten filament is it is having high resistance and high melting point. Okay, so because of heat, it is not going to melt easily. So when current flows into your bulb, the filament gets very hot due to the heating effect. And at this particular, at this particular point, the filament start glowing and gives off light as well as the heat. Okay, so basically electrical energy converted into heat energy in the filament. Clear? Okay. Next, there is one more device that we are using in our houses, that is fuse. Okay, so what is fuse? Fuse is a device basically. Fuse is a safety device. Okay, and this fuse protect our electric circuit from excess current. So it is safety device which protect from excess current. Okay. Now, what the things we are having, what is in fuse also we are having a thin wire. But this thin wire, there is also a thin wire, but different properties. What are the properties? Number one, it is having high resistance. Number two, it is having low melting point. So unlike the tungsten wire, it is having low melting point. And it is made up of alloy. What is alloy?
Ma'am,
What is alloy?
mixture of two metals.
Mixture of two metals. And what are the two metals here? Here two metals are tin and lead. Okay, so it is different from the tungsten filament. It is a low melting point and high resistance. Okay, and it is enclosed, this wire enclosed in a ceramic case. Okay, so these are the properties of fuse wire. Now, what is the working of fuse? How this fuse work? This fuse basically, see, whenever the current is normal, so fuse wire being a conductor, it will allow the electricity to pass without melting. But whenever there is excess current, so what happens? This fuse wire becomes very hot, and because of the why it is getting hot? Because of the heating effect again, and because melting point is low, so it melts quickly because of overheating. And when it melts, It breaks the circuit and will stop the further flow of current. Okay, so the current is not going beyond the fuse. If it is in, if we are having like excess current in that case. If the current is normal, then there is no issue. Okay. So just come to the working. The fuse wire allow electricity to pass. But whenever there is excess current, okay, and because of low melting point, it melts and break the circuit.
Ma'am, I did this back, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I go downstairs with this one?
What you are saying?
Ma'am, I have to go down, ma'am, once. I have to, like, my mother is calling for a work, ma'am. 1 minute.
Acha, okay, no issue. Is it clear, everyone? Working of fuse.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are having Nishika also. Nishika, could you explain working of fuse? Are we having Nishika? Yes, Nishika, could you explain working of fuse?
What, ma'am?
Could you explain working of fuse? What is fuse and how it works? Yes, Nishika.
Mom, so basically,
Hmm.
use like uh
Hmm.
release energy. So use generate energy through combustion.
Could you please turn on camera? All of you turn on camera. Aryan, Charvi, Nishika, and Uma. Hmm. Yes, Nishika.
Mom and
Hmm. Yes. Who is Deepti's iPhone?
Ma'am, this is Snehal.
Snehal. Okay, Snehal, turn on camera.
Ma'am, I'm actually traveling.
You are traveling.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where are you going?
Ma'am, I'm going to Andhra Pradesh.
Going to Andhra?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So, yes, Nishika. Charvi, could you explain working of fuse, how fuse works?
Ma'am, actually, I just now joined, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Uma.
Ma'am, fuse is actually fuse is a
Hmm.
device which helps to protect from excess of current, ma'am.
Yes, very good. And how it is, how fuse is able to do so?
Ma'am, fuse have a type of a coil inside it,
Hmm.
which is made up of the alloy of lead and tin.
Hmm.
So, so there will be a certain amount of current passing through it. If
Hmm.
if more amount of current passes through it,
Hmm.
the coil will melt, and which cause the break in the circuit, ma'am.
Yes. So what happens? Fuse is having a wire which is made up of alloy. So when there is a normal flow of current, I mean up to a certain amount of current, then there is no issue. But if the current flow increases because of any reason, maybe there is short circuit or overheating because of any reason, when there is increased flow in current, so what happens? The fuse wire, because it is having high resistance, so obviously it will hold the current. So because of the holding current, it will get heated, and because it gets heated, because the melting point is already very low, so it gets melted. And once it melted, it stopped the further supply of electricity beyond that. Okay, so
Ma'am,
the increased amount of current is not coming to your appliances. Yes,
ma'am, could you scroll up?
sure. So this is all about fuse working.
MC is melting point right now.
Yes, melting point. Just complete your notes, everyone.
Ma'am, what's after high, ma'am? Ma'am, in the first line.
High resistance.
Ma'am, could you keep your ma'am? I'll complete it in 1 minute.
Yeah, sure. Tarvi, why you are late for class?
Ma'am, actually, the battery of my laptop was over, ma'am.
Okay. So now working of fuses clear, everyone? Nishika, Charvi, everyone, Uma, Shriyans?
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is beside
Yes,
there
yes, ma'am.
also, ma'am?
What is beside also? Which point?
Ma'am, in fuse there is also.
There is also a thin wire.
Okay.
Mom, can you scroll up further?
Or up.
Just a little bit, like safety device. Yeah.
Ma'am, could you scroll down?
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now listen. So fuse though we are using in earlier days, but now we are switched to NCB. In our home, generally we are having NCB. So could anyone tell me what is the full form of NCB?
Ma'am, miniature circuit breaker.
Yes, very good. It is miniature circuit breaker. Now, how it is different from fuse? So basically, our fuse, it works on the principle of heating effect of electric current. But the principle of MCB, working principle of MCB is electromagnetic effect.
And the second property of electricity.
Yes. Plus thermal effect also. Okay, so what happens when we are using the fuse? So fuse, because it is having a metal wire which is made up of alloy. So once there is an excess current, so because of the overheating, it wire gets break. And because of the breaking of wire, the further supply of current will stop. But in case of MCB, the action mode of MCB detect the short circuit, overloading, everything. And if MCB find any kind of short circuit or overloading, it switch automatically off. उसको हम जनरल लैंग्वेज में भी इसे ट्रिप ऑफ we used to say na MCB is trip off. So trips off means there's automatically MCB was off in case of overheating. Okay, so here in case of MCB there is no melting of wire. So how it act in case of overloading? It automatically trips off. So it is very convenient to use, and whenever the current supply becomes normal, it we can switch it on again. So there is no replacement of wire is required because there is no mounting of wire, so no need to replace the wire. Okay, so in case of MCB, there is no need of replacement of wire.
And it's more convenient and time.
It is very convenient. Even we don't need any electrician to do. So we can do it automatically. We can do it by ourselves. If there is chips MCB is down, you can easily update. Okay, but cost wise, it is expensive as compared to the fuse, but it is reusable and it is long lasting. So cost wise, so yes, it is expensive, but long lasting. And also reusable. So nowadays we completely moved on to MCB. Earlier we used fuse at home, but nowadays so we are using MCB. Okay, so there could be question. MCB is one more thing which works on the heating effect of electricity, but MCB now it is replaced by the fuse is replaced by the MCB now. Okay. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Heating effect is clear everyone?
Ma'am.
Achha, there is one more thing, LED. What is LED?
Light emitting diode.
Light emitting diode. So how it is for which purpose we are using LED? This is the replacement of what? Which appliances?
Ma'am, bulb.
Bulb, yes, it is a replacement of bulb. The normal bulb we discussed, like that bulb is having tungsten wire and everything. So now it is we are using LED. So what is the difference between your normal tungsten wire bulb or the LED?
Ma'am, the bulb, it like produces heat and energy, ma'am. Ma'am, but LED, it produces the same amount of light as the bulb, and it is designed with an unbreakable glass, ma'am. Like the material outside.
So LEDs, we can't break LED.
Ma'am,
We
it's
just
not like easily breaking, ma'am.
okay. Any other difference? Means this is the structural difference. What is the difference in the function? Why we are using LED than bulb? Yes, anyone? Why we are using LEDs nowadays? Everyone is having LED now at your room for light? Huh? Or anyone is having bulb also for as a light source? Who is having bulb as a light
Ma'am, I don't
source?
think anybody has a bulb. These days we use light, ma'am.
Okay, so we completely replaced a bulb with LEDs.
Yeah.
So we must know about the LEDs, why we replaced our normal bulb with LED. What is the reason?
Ma'am, and they are also very cost effective, I guess, ma'am.
Are normal bulb to is 20-30 rupees. LED minimum 1900-120 rupees. Today I got LED 349 rupees. It is expensive. It is expensive
Ma'am,
than
they're
bulb.
long lasting, right?
Long lasting, yes, we can say it is long lasting. But bulb is only like 20-30 rupees now.
Ma'am, but LEDs also have a long lifespan, right, ma'am?
Long lasting, long lifespan, yes. So only for this purpose, yes.
Ma'am, LEDs have like less power consumption.
LED what?
Ma'am,
LED what?
LEDs have like less
Hmm.
power consumption.
Yes, very good. It consume very little electricity, okay, as compared to the normal filament bulb. Normal filament bulb consume more electricity, but LED consume very little electricity. So ultimately, you are spending more money on LED purchasing, but ultimately, the bill total monthly bill cost will be reduced if you are using LEDs. Okay, so one to is power usage. Power consumed by LED is much lesser than the power consumed by a normal bulb. Okay. Second thing, the color of the bulb is only yellow color, but LED you are having in different colors. You can have white LED, red LED, blue LED. Okay, so there are different color options. Second, lifespan, yes. Bulb lifespan is short, but the LED lifespan is, comparatively long. And the most important, the heat produced. Bulb, when you are having bulb, it becomes very hot. If you touch the bulb after 30 minutes of usage, you can't touch the bulb with your naked hand. Okay, you have to take some towel or something to hold the bulb.
Ma'am,
But
but
LED,
LEDs don't produce heat, right, ma'am?
LED, no, LED is also producing heat, but the heat produced by LED is very low. Okay, so LED is more efficient because heat is low. So energy wastage by the LED is very low. So it consume your energy. Okay. And most important, the working principle. Your bulb works on the principle of heating effect. Yes. And LED, it works on the principle of electroluminescence. Okay. So just note down everyone the difference between LED and bulb. Normal filament bulb and LED. First difference, note down the working principle. What is the working principle of filament bulb? What is the heating effect of electricity? Yes. And the working principle of your LED is electroluminescence. Okay. Second difference, note down the efficiency. Which is more efficient?
LED.
Ma'am,
Yes.
LED.
L. Second difference, efficiency. Filament bulb low efficient. LED is high efficient. High efficiency. Okay. Third difference, note down. Third difference क्या था? Heat. Which is producing more heat?
And filament bulb.
Yes. So the heat produced by your bulb is high and the heat produced by our LED is low. Second is, next is power consumption. Who is taking more power?
Filament bulb.
Yes.
Ma'am, filament bulb.
Yes. Filament bulb is taking more electricity, more power. And which is cheaper? Which is expensive?
Filament bulb.
Yes, filament bulb is cheaper. LED is expensive.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, even LED can be considered safer alternative, right, ma'am? Like because it doesn't contain mercury.
Yes. Yes, it is safe also. Yes. And also we are having different color option in LEDs that we are not having in normal bulb. Okay. So if there is any question in your exam, you can quote any 2, 3, 4 difference.
We call all the points from one.
Which point?
Like the difference.
Difference between filament bulb and LED.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Therefore, first point is the working principle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First is working principle. Second हो गया heat.
Okay.
Third is cost. Okay. Next is power consumption, power usage, which is taking more power, which is taking less power. Okay. Next, you can write lifespan. Lifespan of your bulb is low. LED is having long lifespan. Next, you can also write color. Bulb is only yellow color. LED is having different color. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So these are all the example of where we are using heating effect of electric current. So we are using heating effect of electric current. First of all, what is heating effect of electric current? Then some appliances like fuse we are having, but it is completely replaced by MCB nowadays. Then bulb we are having, it is also replaced by the LED, because when there is a heating effect, so because of the heat, energy is wastage. So because of the wastage of energy, we are moving to some other alternative in which energy wastage we can, which is low. Okay, but we are using appliances based on the heating effect, like we are having geyser, we are having iron, we are having electric kettle. So all these appliances works on the heating effect of electric current.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, could you once scroll up?
Where?
Ma'am, near the points of fuse, ma'am. Ma'am, a little down.
This is working of fuse.
Yes.
Okay, so heating effect is done from my side. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
Okay. Okay. So next class, we will continue the chapter with magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. We are having two effects,
Done.
heating and magnetic. Done? Okay. So next class, we will continue magnetic effect. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then enjoy your Sunday. Aryan, not
Yes,
in mood?
yes.
Not in mood today?
Ma'am, what?
Not in mood to study today?
No, ma'am, nothing, ma'am. My camera isn't turning on. It says to choose a type of camera.
It happens when we are not in mood. It happens.
No, ma'am.
Otherwise, camera is working good. I mean, few minutes before it is on when you
No, ma'am,
join the class.
turned off. It just turned off.
Camera knows your mood, na? It's your camera. Today is AI time, na? Camera is with the AI, so it knows
Bye.
your mood. Chalo, bye-bye, everyone.
ma'am.
Enjoy
Thank you,
Sunday.
ma'am.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.